The French philosopher Gilles Deleuze was a maniacal drinker during a number of his richest intellectual years. And artists, too, intersect with alcohol and drugs. According to an article in a musician's magazine, LSD is responsible for influencing a wide range of artists. Without it, there'd be no Grateful Dead, Jimi Hendrix, Janis Joplin, Beatles, or Pink Floyd. At least, not as we know them. The article's author wasn't the first person interested in the connection between LSD and art. The U.S. government ran tests on the subject back in the 1950s. In the experiment shown here, an illustrator was given pencils, paper, and LSD, and his drawings were monitored as his intoxication progressed and receded. The results were about what popular culture would lead you to expect. As the drug took hold, his renderings became more exuberant and stylized. They definitely didn't decay into senselessness. But whether they were actually better than the work he did without drugs, that's an open question. LSD degenerates the brainstem and lingers for months or even years after a dose, sometimes causing acid flashbacks at unexpected or inopportune times. With the exception of heroin, LSD has the most corrosive long-term effects of any common recreational drug.